Now that we've talked about finding compositions using equations, using tables, now we're going to find a function composition using a graph. So here we have the graph of f of x, and here we have a graph of g of x. And we want to find g of f of 4. That means we need to work inside out. We need to find f of 4 first. So on the function f graph, the input of x equals 4. So the x is the x-axis. We go over to 4, and the output is positive 4. So the y value, right? So this point here is the point 4, 4. So the x value, the input we had was 4. The output is also 4. So f of 4 is 4. And now we're going to plug that into g. We go over to the g graph. So again, the x value is 4. And this is our point on the graph when x equals 4. And that is the point 4, 2. So when the input of x was 4, the output was 2. So g of 4 equals 2. So overall, g of f of 4 equals 2. Go ahead and try the example on the right. Alright, so now we are finding f of g of 0. So we need to find f of 0 first, right? So we're working inside out, or sorry, g of 0. And so on the function g graph, x is 0. So here's the origin, 0, 0, x is 0. We want to know what y is. So this is the point 0, 1. So when x was 0, y was 1. So g of 0 is 1. Now I need to plug that 1 into function f. So go over to our function f graph, and the x value is 1. So I'm going to plot that point. So x was 1, y was 2. So the input of 1, we got out an output of 2. So f of 1 is positive 2. And so we see f of g of 0 is positive 2.